Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are good. Now, today we are going to start our seventh lesson from chapter number 2, World Climate. Dear students, today our topic is provinces and administrative areas of Pakistan. Learning outcomes of our topics are: first one is you can explain Pakistan's all provinces, capitals, cultures, languages, dresses, dishes, literature, events, games, and festivals, etc. Second one, you can explain administrative areas of Pakistan. Okay, students, let's take a review of previous topics. Our country official name Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan is a country in southern Asia with a coastal line on Arabian Sea, which is a region of Indian Ocean. The country is bordered by Afghanistan, China, India, and Iran. The country occupies an area of 796,095 kilometers square. Compared, it is slightly larger than Turkey or slightly less than twice size of the USA state of California. Our first topic is administrative areas of Pakistan. Islamabad is capital territory and federally administered tribal areas. The administrative units of Pakistan consist of five provinces: Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab, Sindh, and Gilgit-Baltistan. One territory, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The federal territory is Islamabad, which is the capital of Pakistan. Provinces of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into five main provinces. Each province has a legislative provisional assembly led by the chief minister, while there is a governor in each province who represents the central government. Okay, dear students, our first province is Punjab. Punjab literally means the land of five rivers. Due to its rivers, it is the most fertile and most populated province of Pakistan. The capital of Punjab is Lahore. People speak Punjabi here and have many colorful traditions. Tourists come here to visit famous sites. Handicrafts of Punjab. The traditional crafts of Punjab are remarkable for their design and beautiful work. Punjab handicrafts produce some very useful items which are exported to all over the country. Different categories of Punjab handicrafts: woodwork, pulkari, mudwork, pottery, folk toys, weaving, needlework, leather craft, woodwork and metalwork, etc. Okay, dear students, dresses of Punjab. Punjabi dress for men comprises pagdi, kurta and dhoti. Punjab women wear shalwar kameez and dupatta. Dishes of Punjab. One of the most inspiring things about Punjabi food is its diversity. The people in Punjab have the passion to cook their food with ghee or butter. The famous dishes of Punjab are pie, sarson ka saag, and makai ki roti, lassi, chicken, kadai, dal makhani, and panjeer, etc. Sports and festivals of Punjab. Various types of sports are played in Punjab, like kabaddi, stapu, kokla chapaki, and gulli danda. Punjabis are fond of kabaddi and it's also played on national level. Punjab Youth Festival is an annual event in Punjab. Others are Mela Jaragam, Lok Mela, Basant, and Spring festivals. Crops of Punjab. The most agricultural province is Punjab, where wheat and cotton are the grown. Other important crops are cotton, rice, sugarcane, millet, maize, and fruits. Among the fooded crops are bajra and jawar. Pakistan, the world's fourth largest producer of mangoes. Famous places of Punjab. There are many places to visit in Punjab. Some of the historical places are Minar-e Pakistan, Tomb of Jahangir, Padshai Mosque, Rohtas Fort, and Noor Mahal, etc. Okay, students, our next province is Sindh. Sindh province is in the southeast. Karachi, the southernmost metropolis, is the capital of Sindh province. Sindh is also attributed to the Indus River and is also a part of the Indus civilization. Mohenjo-daro is also situated in this province. Most of the people in Sindh speak Sindhi language. Handicrafts of Sindh. The range of handicrafts products include ajrak, ceramics, articles made of date leaves, Farsi rugs, case, musical instruments, caps, straw products, bangles, crochet work, embroideries, carpet and wood carving, etc. Dresses of Sindh. Sindhi women wear the shalwar kameez and dupatta or the lenga and choli. The men wear shalwar kameez and mirror work cap. Dishes of Sindh. Sai bhaji chawal are popular dish from Sindh consist of white steamed rice served with spinach curry which is given a tadka with tomatoes, onions and garlic. And other popular dishes are kokka, Sindhi biryani and dal pakwan etc. Sports and festivals of Sindh. There are many regional sports that are played in Sindh like Malkheru, cricket and football. Sindhi Culture Festival is a compound of folk dances, music and cheap entertainment for local people. Famous festivals are Basant, folk music festivals and cattle show festivals. Famous places of Sindh. There are many famous places in Sindh like Faiz Mahal, Kot Diji Fort, Mazar-e-Qaid, Mohenjo-daro, Mohatta Palace and Qasim Fort. Crops of Sindh. Cotton, rice, wheat and sugarcane are the main crops produced in Sindh. Rice is by far the most important crop cultivated here. Our next province is Balochistan, the southwestern province of Pakistan. It is the largest province of the country, making about 40% of the total area of Pakistan. It is also most scarcely populated province of Pakistan. Handicrafts of Balochistan. Dear students, handicrafts which include handmade Balochi shoes known for their durability, uniqueness and fineness all over the country. Fine mirror work, embroidery and marble work and fine quality precious stone work. Dress of Balochistan. The female Balochi suit consists of headscarf, long dress and a shalwar. Balochi women wear loose dresses which are embroidered in local designs which include Balochi silk threads, chain stitch embroidery. The men's shalwar kameez consists of a very baggy shalwar which uses large length of cloth. The kameez is also loose, which traditionally is long with long sleeve. Dishes of Balochistan. Balochi dish such as the lamb skewed sajji have gained massive popularity among different parts of Pakistan. Dum pokht is also a Balochi dish which is prepared with meat and it's cooked in fats. Sports and festivals of Balochistan. Popular games include chalk and chee, also games like wrestling, horse racing, shooting and hunting. Both religious and social festivals are celebrated by Balochi people. The religious festivals are same as across the country like Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr. City Festival is famous which has folk music performance, cultural dance, handicraft stalls, cattle shows, and number of other entertaining activities showing the colorful side of Balochi people. Crops of Balochistan: wheat, cotton, rice, maize, jowar, bajra, and barley have been noted as the important food crops of Balochistan. Famous places of Balochistan. There are many famous places like Hana Lake, Wadi-e-Golan, Peer Chetal Nurani, Gadawa, Quaid-e-Azam Residency, Ziyarat, etc. Our next province is Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The Pakhtunkhwa is the land of Pakhtuns or Pathans. This is the northwestern province of Pakistan. The people in this province live in the strict tribal system. Handicrafts of KPK. Brasswork, a very famous craft of Peshawar. Brasswork is commonly done to produce household items which include plates, vases, bowls, flower pots, candle stands, and spoons, etc. Crops of KPK. Crops in KPK include wheat, maize, tobacco, rice, sugar beet, as well as various fruits are grown in this province. Dresses of KPK. Shalwar kameez is a dress of men and women. The women wear kameez with needlework. Men also wear a turban, a scarf, called patki. Games and festivals of KPK. Famous games of KPK are Bozakashi, Polo, Nezabazi, horse riding, and Guli Danda. Festivals of KPK are Bozakashi, Cattle Show festivals, Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr religious festivals. Dishes of KPK: rice, halim, chapli kebab, tikka, and mutton karai are the most famous dishes of KPK. Famous places of KPK: Lake Saiful Maluk, ranked 5th by The Guardian as one of the top attractions of Pakistan. Other famous places of KPK are Natia Gali, Mushtpuri, Ayubia National Park, Swat Valley, Kailash Valley, and Shokran. Our fifth province is Gilgit-Baltistan, the land of high mountains and beautiful valleys. This has been only recently formed. Previously, it was a centrally administered area called the Northern Areas. Dress of Gilgit-Baltistan. Men usually wear woolen hat and shalwar kameez. Women usually wear beautiful cap, loose shalwar kameez or colorful frocks. Dear students, dishes and crops of Gilgit-Baltistan. There are too many appetizing dishes that the local people love to eat like goli, harissa, chapshoro, and chopan. The main crops include maize, wheat, barley, millet, potatoes, peas, beans, various fruits and nuts trees, while livestock comprises of sheep, goat, cow, horse and yaks, etc. Handicrafts of Gilgit-Baltistan: embroidered gowns, wallets, keychains, caps, carpet weaving, stonework, woolen crafts, precious and semi-precious stones, metalwork, and industrial stones are the specialty of Gilgit-Baltistan. Famous places of Gilgit-Baltistan: Hunza and Skardu are the most famous places of Gilgit-Baltistan. These places are too much beautiful. Okay, dear students, today our home task is question number 8. Make a list of the key features of each province. Answer: our main key features of each provinces are capital cities, famous places, languages spoken, foods. Games, clothes, shrines, and fruits, etc. So, dear students, with the help of this chart, make a chart on your copies. Okay, dear students, now let's start our book work page number 16 to 17. Okay, dear students, C part is measure the distance from Islamabad to Karachi. Use the scale to work out the distance in kilometer. So our answer is the distance between Islamabad and Karachi on the map of administrative division is 15.5 centimeter. So students, you should write the scale of map 7,50,000. Then multiply the distance by the 7,50,000 to get the answer. To get the answer in kilometer, you should divide it by 1 lakh. This is an approximate answer as actual distance between Islamabad and Karachi is 1142 km. Note, answers underlined with red lines. D part is measure the distance between other major cities of Pakistan. Distance between Lahore to Islamabad is 268.56 km. Sialkot to Lahore 193.18 km. Faisalabad to Islamabad 256 km. Peshawar to Islamabad 183 km. Okay students, our next part is E part. Match the famous landmarks to the provinces in which they are located. Qazi-Azam Mausoleum located in Sindh. Karakoram Highway is in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Badshahi Masjid in Lahore. Shalimar Garden in Lahore. Mohenjo-daro is located in Sindh. K2 mountain peak is located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Changa Manga forest is located in Punjab. Guidelines for parents. Dear parents, all the main points discussed in the lecture. Make sure students listen the lecture carefully. Question number 8 discussed in the lecture. So ask your child to do 8 question on notebook. Make sure that spelling should be correct while writing answers. Make sure your child learn the home task on daily basis. Thank you.